What's up? What's up? Coming to you with some Zebec. Read that disclaimer, please, and we're going to get through this intro and get right into Zebec. How's everybody doing? Let's go. Captain America in that intro looking for the cryptos that's going to lead the way in the next bull run, and here's one of them. Captain America, the crypto capital of the world. And we got Captain America out here looking for the crypto. Found one is Zebec, down 2.73% today, but that's all right. We in an upward trend, y'all. Sitting at 002101. Let's get this big chart over here. Look at her. On an upward trend, pulling down a little bit, touching the bottom of this trend line, this channel right here. And we are trying to push back up. It tried to wick down, pick up some support here at this one. We got a little support area right here at 2034, and it quite didn't make it. So she's trying to push up right now. Volume's down on the spot volume, but it's green. Seeing if we can get back. We had a level of resistance right now, little level resistance. Hoping to push above that, get above this 618 up to the half. Maybe consolidate here for a little bit and then try to push above the 382 here, above this next level of resistance, getting up to basically the top of this range up here, and right above the 236. I think that's what that is. Let's look. Yep, the 236 right here, and I got this line right here. When we run up and hit the top, we need to break above that and try to get above this area resistance. Now, we break above this area resistance here on the 1 hour chart. We good. We can break out and keep right on going, but don't know if that's personally going to happen right now. Volume's low, and what volume we did have that was up here was in the selling zone. So, right now, bringing you some news though. Zebec Network, this is on TradingView. Zebec is launching the desktop version. Let me get over here on the first one right here, on for the 23rd of February. That's today's the 21st. It's about to be the 22nd. I'm here at midnight at home making these videos. You'll get them in the morning around 8 or 9 o'clock. World Mobile Token, Zebec Network, ZebecNET, 23rd of February 2026. According to the announcement, ZebecNET, a decentralized mobile network built with World Mobile, launches on 23rd of February with a global eSIM and a real-time payments in 100 plus countries. Mechanically disconnects telecom access and real-world spending to on-chain rails, where connectivity, settlements, and rewards are likely tied into the WMTX and ZBCN ecosystems. If adoption grows beyond the existing wait list, recurring mobile payments and data usage can translate into steady on-chain transaction flow. That dynamic can support higher fee revenue and protocol usage, which historically improves the risk-reward profile for tokens that capture value via gas staking or revenue sharing models. And this is Zebec on X, ZebecNET, powered by at World Mobile Team, launches February 23rd. A decentralized mobile network where eSIM connectivity meets real-world spending. Global eSIM, real-time payments in 100 plus countries. Early access begins tomorrow. 40,000's already on the wait list. ZebecNET launch February 23rd. So we do have that. I was wanting to bring you some good news on that. So after that, that's going to launch Monday. And then you got SuperApp Desktop February 25th, 2026. Zebec is launching the desktop version of its SuperApp on February 25th, aiming to bring its streaming payments and treasury tools into a single interface for desktop users. According to the team's announcement on X link, a mobile version of an enterprise-grade edition for institutional and professional users will follow. The mechanism here is broader access and potentially deeper integration with businesses' workflows, which can increase transaction volume on Zebec Rails. For ZBCN, higher protocol usage and institutional onboarding can translate into stronger demand for any token-gated features or governance, making this a date to watch for volume and sentiment shifts. And then you got right here on X, Zebec Network, the Zebec SuperApp goes live February 25th. All of Zebec's ecosystem under one roof. Access your silver and carbon cards, string payroll across Solana, stake ZBCN, designed for everyday use. The February 25th launch introduces the desktop version of the Zebec SuperApp, mobile version coming soon. An enterprise-grade edition designed for institutional and professional users will follow. So that is what we do have on the Zebec Network. And let's see where we're at over here. Can we look up Zebec Network? As you can see, we started out today at 002117. We worked our way up pretty good over here, pushed up the 2223 and come back down. We're down in the red right now on Zebec Network. We'll get down here. Let's look at the spot on Zebec Network. Let's see what we got. Some selling, yep. As you can see right here, we got some selling going on right now in the last hour on Zebec Network, on Big Get and OKX. Kraken ain't got, no, we got some buying going on. I don't know why I said selling, but we got some buying going on. On Kraken, we got some selling, but not much, 3.09 thousand, but we got some on the last hour. We've had some Zebec come on the exchange. So might be coming in to trade or on this news to thinking that the price could rally up, push up a little bit. Might be bringing the tokens back on the exchange to put some long positions out, try to long the market on Zebec on this news that's going to launch in the next day or two. Let's get up here and look at the overview of Zebec, and we'll get you out of here. On the open interest, it's kind of flat, kind of neutral, like it's been. Still the same thing on the volume. Let's see what the liquidation map looks like in the last 4 hours. Not really nothing. Not really nothing. Let's see what we got in the last hour. Nothing. There ain't much trading coming in, so on this spot volume, well, it's changed now. Like to me, they're bringing it back on the exchange to be sold, because now you got big get that's in the red. You got the selling pressure starting to come in, so might be some people coming in to sell a little bit of Zebec. So let's get back over here on trading view. Yeah, see, this candle here is, well, it's turned red for this new hour we just went into. It's in the red, but we need this trend, the bottom of this trend, to hold. If we happen to dip below it, we might be coming down here to pick up some support and just get right back up, sweep down here at the 1, and then push back up back into this channel here we in. We could see that. Just don't be in fear. We could sweep down, pick up some support like this right here. Let's see. Where is... What in the world is that on there for? Where is the marker at? It could just... I don't know. I did have a... I don't know where it's at now. I did have a... No, it's not. It's not doing it. I just can't understand. Let me see. No. Hide all drawings? No. I'm trying to find my marker, but I can't find it. I'll look for it later. But anyway, we could be coming down to sweep this right here, this 1, and then getting back up in there. But maybe maybe this won't turn bearish, and we can reclaim an upside to this right here. But this right now, we're showing less volume, a lot more selling than buying right now. So we could drop below this channel right here, sweep this 1, and get back up into the channel. So I wanted to bring you this update right quick on Zebec. Don't forget, it's a good time to get in on Zebec. Start accumulating ZBCN with this SuperApp, payroll, a lot of partnerships. It's doing something every week, every other week. It's doing something. Zebec's doing something. Building this project. So don't miss out on it. I'm telling you, you want to become wealthy or better off than what you was in this previous bull run. Maybe you followed the wrong content. I don't know what the issue was. Maybe you wasn't following no content. Maybe you wasn't following nobody. Maybe you weren't subscribed to nobody. Maybe you knew. I don't know what the deal is, what the issue is. But we're here to, if you invest in the right tokens and you invest enough to become a crypto millionaire or close to it in the next 2 years. So in the next bull run. So that's the next 2.5 years. You can do this, and we want to be the one to help you. We want to be the best channel out there on YouTube with the crypto market. So how about subscribing to the channel? Hit that like button. Tell others about CA Crypto, Captain America Crypto, America being the crypto capital of the world. Get in on this, bring in these cryptos that's going to do good. And just imagine investing and building up 1 million tokens and it go to $1, y'all. And it reach $1. This be one of the cryptos that could possibly reach $1 by the top of the next bull run cycle. Just think about that. How better off would your life be? How much better could you do with that money to help somebody else out in need? That's all I'm doing. I want to help you so you can help others. So subscribe to the channel and get in on Zebec, because this is going to make future millionaires, because the payroll in the United States is big. So, and they're beyond the United States. It's going worldwide. So you're saying it, you heard it, 100+ countries. Think about it. So may God bless you all, and subscribe to the channel to the next one. Y'all be careful.